Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing about hypothalamus, its location, function. It is a part of diencephalon. Its function just like thrust as well as sleeping patterns. Major function of hypothalamus is it's a part of limbic system, which is for fear, sexual activities, for sleeping patterns, for major functions which are handled by the limbic system. It is also part of limbic system. It is majorly concerned with the limbic system, and secondly it also control the emotions, behaviors, our recent memory. It induces our autonomic nervous system as well as it is also endocrine function. It causes the release of the certain factors which induce the anterior and posterior pituitary, which is present below the hypothalamus, for certain hormones like gonadotropin, uh, FSH, growth factors, oxytocin, etc. Anterior and posterior pituitary are highest control center, and now we are discussing about, I will draw a diagram of central nervous system lateral view, and I will tell you first of all the exact location of hypothalamus, then its function and their relation with the ventricle system as well as mammary bodies. So location is that here I will draw some a side view. First of all, a midbrain, pons, medulla, and a posteriorly connective cerebellum, brainstem. And above the midbrain, a thalami is present, and it is connected with the thalamus and optic chiasma. A sheet of actually a hypothalamus is a sheet of gray matter which is spreading thalami to the optic chiasma and third ventricle. As I said that it is present above the midbrain, or it is present inter peduncular fossa to optic chiasma. As a blue one is the thalamus, which is a mammary body which is present. Mammary body is present below the thalamus, and as I said that this is the anterior and posterior pituitary. There are two swelling and one mammary body which is present in below the thalamus, hypothalamus, and it is a part of hypothalamus, a tuber cinereum. And anterior and posterior pituitary is not a part of hypothalamus. It is connected with the mammary body and tuber cinereum. Uh, it is not a part of, as I said that it is not a part of pituitary gland, but pituitary gland is present below the hypothalamus. This is anterior pituitary, this is posterior pituitary as I draw above, and this is optic chiasma. The red area shows the hypothalamus, and third ventricle is present between them. Mean a sheet of gray matter which is connected with the thalamus. Thalamus is connected with the midbrain, upper part of the midbrain interpeduncular fossa, and anteriorly it is connected with the optic chiasma. Below it is connected with the two mammary body, and one is that tuber cinereum which is connected with the infundibulum, and infundibulum is connected with the anterior and posterior pituitary, but infundibulum and anterior posterior pituitary is not a part of hypothalamus. So I will draw a big diagram of third ventricle which is connected with the anterolaterally thalami, and thalami is connected with the thalamus, and thalamus is connected with the optic chiasma. So I will draw a lateral ventricular, and a pineal gland is present at the uh, roof of the third ventricle, attached with a short stalk. So here is the left thalami, here is the right thalami, and here is the left thalami, which is present in between the third ventricle. Thalami, which is left thalami, and this is the right thalami. And posteriorly it is present pineal gland, and here I will draw a structure which is a midbrain, which is present below the thalami, because I will said you the thalami are connected with the interpudendal fossa and midbrain. Here I will draw the hypothalamus, a lateral and medial wall, which is a sheet of gray matter, floor, and lateral wall of third ventricle. It form the floor and lateral wall of third ventricle. Cerebellum, midbrain, pons, medulla, stem, brain stem. So I draw the thalamus, a lateral and right thalami, which is connected with the third ventricle, and it is connected with the anterior and posterior pituitary with the infundibulum. This is thalami, hypothalamus. Below it there will be a mammillary body, which is 2, and this is the sheet of the gray matter, which is form the floor and lateral wall of the third ventricle. It is very important topic, and I will discuss in part 2 about the functions and other aspects of the third ventricle. This is optic chiasma, and the third ventricle, which is present between the hypothalamus, so it make the right wall and left wall of the hypothalamus, right view and left view of the hypothalamus, and I will discuss in part 2 in detail.